Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So I just recently uploaded a video on how to tint your headlights. However, there's a lot of people messaging me wondering how that tint film looks on the stock taillights. Well, here you go. So here's the giant roll of tint that I bought from Amazon. It's enough to do about 3 sets of lights. I cut some for my taillights, I cut some for my headlights. Today we're only going to do the taillights. First step is you want to make sure you're working with a very clean light. So make sure you go ahead and wash it with soap and water. Next, you want to mask off the surrounding area of the light with some painter's tape. The painter's tape is going to allow you to pull the tint up in specific areas so you can readjust it without it sticking too much to your car. Next, you want to grab some 70% isopropyl alcohol and just clean your lens to make sure there's no waxes, no dust, no dirt or debris. Now you want to grab your tint film, pull the backing halfway, and you want to align it as flat as possible on the lights. Go ahead and grab your squeegee and start squeegeeing from the inside out. Now pull the rest of the backing off and you want to grab a heat gun and you want to heat it up just so it's nice and stretchy, and you want to pull it back over the rest of the light and try to get it as flat as possible. Go ahead and use your squeegee and lock it down and work it all the way through the edges. Now that the tint is fully applied, you can go ahead and trim the excess around the edges of the lights. Once that is done, go back around the edges with a heat gun just to lock down the edges. Now pull the painter's tape off and you're all set.